Hello, a quick introduction to Delftware and how to identify it in the field. What is Delftware? Delftware is earthenware. That is a normal clay firing body which is then given a biscuit firing or first firing. Here are biscuit shards, and then coated with a tin glaze which produces a white background, and this can then be painted. It has to be painted quickly while the glaze is wet and then given a second firing. It's also known as maiolica and faience and tin glazed earthenware, or Delftware as it's commonly known today. Other names depending on culture and context. When was it popular? In England, most popular between 1650 and 1760. What sort of decoration did it have? Blues and whites, very popular. Also pieces which were in a Chinese style, imitating expensive Chinese porcelains of the day, often given a very quick, impressionistic style of painting due to the fact it had to be painted on wet glaze. Sometimes not decorated, just left with a white tin glaze like that. Often floral motifs like flowers in the middle of the bases of plates and platters and chargers. These bits often survive well. Blues, whites, oranges also used there. Fruit motifs, flower motifs. Chinese style Wan Li decoration. Geometric designs, dots and dashes. Characteristics of the Delftware pottery and glaze. Earthenware, yellowish fabric there, sometimes more pinkish, you can see there. Often in the clay you find small little bits of red clay as inclusions. Other characteristics, the glaze is quite easily abraded, chipped, and often found in poor condition. It crazes quite a lot in some examples. Also, the glaze produces characteristic dimples during firing there. Other characteristics of Delftware: on large pieces such as plates and platters, you get stacking scars, normally 3 on the bottom of plates and chargers there. What is not Delftware? Porcelain, obviously a much finer, high firing clay, vitrified, almost like glass, and later blue and white, Georgian, late Georgian and Victorian pieces which are transfer printed rather than hand painted, and again have a finer clay and a less easily damaged glaze. Thank you very much.